Hey guys, Big Phil here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a device that's meant to upgrade your car interior. It is a multimedia system from the company Carpuride, and this system is unique. Unique in the sense that installing it is super simple and it doesn't require any professional knowledge to install it. Above all, it doesn't require any disassembly of your dashboard. That's something I love about this. And it's going to provide you with modern features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with Bluetooth 5.0. So it has a lot of great features and I'm super excited to check it out and install it in my car. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out everything about this system. And please, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV. Let's check it out. For features, this system can provide you with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Auto Link, Phone Link, FM radio, SD card, rear view camera, voice control, aux input, and USB input. Alright, let's check it out and see what it looks like and everything that comes with this system right here. Alright, pop it open. And the first thing we can see is the display. This is it, guys. This is it right here. As you can see, very thin and lightweight. Now let's see what else comes in the box. Alright, here we have a suction mount bracket. See, it's a suction mount bracket. And I believe this is also extendable. You can extend it, yeah. You can extend the length of the suction mount bracket. The next thing we can see is, let's see this one, a self-adhesive bracket. Yeah, self-adhesive. I don't know why self-adhesive, but we're going to check it out. And what is, and here, this is the power cable. This is how you're going to power on the display using an old cigarette input. And it has USB Type-C. And the cable is long. Yeah, very long. Alright. And the next. Oh, there's so many things that comes with this display, man. Alright, we got a camera, guys. A rear view camera. Nice. This will be great. A rear view camera. And a little plate which is going to help you to install it on the back of your car. And some camera wires. This is what you're going to use to connect the camera onto the display. And I believe onto your car also. Yeah. And this is a suction cup gasket. Yeah, that's how it's called. Suction cup gasket. Wow. A quick start guide. How to use it, how to install it, and everything. It's right here. This is the aux cable. This is the aux cable. With this cable right here, you can plug in the display, this display, onto your old car infotainment system so that everything can be linked up. So this is an aux cable right here. And that's it. That's everything that comes in the box. A lot of stuff, guys. And now for the display, it is 10.3 inches of HD quality. And on the back here, there are some few inputs. Let's start with this right here. This is the power button. This is where you're going to power on the display, or you've got to turn it off from here. And here on the corner, we have a microphone input. We have SD card slot. That's the SD card input, so you can plug in your mini SD card to play your music, videos, and everything. And we have the camera input. We have an audio out. And here we have USB. The USB Type-A input, that's where you can charge your smartphones and other devices. And finally, USB Type-C, that's where you're going to power on the display. And at the back right here, we have one speaker. I don't know how loud this speaker is, but you're just going to use your car speakers. It's going to be much better. And here, this is where you can mount the suction bracket and mount it on the dashboard of your car. Remember, I said this system is very simple to install. So it's going to look like this. Yeah, just like this. And you can rotate it either forward, upward, left, right. Oh, this would be nice. All right, you know what? Let me get in my car right now and show you guys how to install it. Keep watching, guys. All right, to install a display on your dashboard, there are two ways you can do that. You can either use the self-adhesive mount, this one right here, and this one is very simple. It has the adhesive, this is it. You peel it off, stick it here, and stick it on your dashboard. Very simple. So it's going to be like this. But I'll be using this one, suction mount bracket. Alright guys, I just finished installing the display on my dashboard and it's quite simple. As I mentioned earlier, it's super simple. I didn't require any professional knowledge. Everything just works so simple. I like it, man. So whenever you start up your car, now you're going to have this display right here, Carpuride. And the good news is you can request from the company to put the logo of your car. So whenever you start up your car, instead of having a Carpuride, you will have the logo of the car that you have, either Toyota, Honda, Ford, whatever car you have. You can have the logo display on the screen, but you have to request it from the company. All right, now this is the display. Looks amazing, fantastic display. And when you like right now, my phone is connected to the display, so it's gonna switch over to Android Auto. We have the Google Map appears right there. We can get into all the different apps. Those are the applications, and the map comes onto the little part of the screen. So the screen is switched. You can have two things at the same time, either clock and the app, or the map and the applications. We got things like Spotify, messages, Facebook, and other stuff, the settings, and also you can use the Google Voice Assistant. Or you tap right here. Alright guys, I just connected my iPhone onto this multimedia system and it works great. As you can see right here, whoa, it looks way better than Android Auto. I mean, the layout just looks clean, just looks simple and elegant. I just love it, and it takes the whole screen. Just look at it, it just looks so nice, much better than Android Auto. And the display, man, the sharpness, the contrast, it's just mind-blowing. The colors is sharp. I mean, the brightness also is crazy. Like, even in direct sunlight, you could see everything on this display because it's really bright. So really, I mean, overall, the display is really good. And the other features like AirPlay, phone link, FM radio, all those features work great. So in terms of features, there's nothing to complain about this multimedia when it comes to all those features, all those modern features that you're going to need, especially if you have a classic car, an old car with no infotainment system. This is it, guys. Check it out. The link in the description below. It's great to install. I mean, the installation is the simplest. It doesn't require any professional knowledge, doesn't require any disassembly of your dashboard. Very simple installation. I did it myself. Everything right here, you see right here, done by me. So it's very simple to install, and it's a great display, great quality. So click the link in the description below if you like it, if you want it. Right now there's a discount, I think around 10 or 20% discount. Click the link in the description below to find out more about it, more about the company, copyrights, and everything. Yeah, and that's everything about this video. If you have any question about this multimedia system, drop it down in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.